Me and my sister are gonna be fidget trading, but in colors. Let's see what color I get. I got green.
It's my turn now, and the color that I got is blue.
What's your offer for this triple dimple?
This snake and this monkey noodle. What's your offer for this tangle?
I'll give you this fidget spinner.
Add.
This dress ball?
Add.
Fine, I'll give you this marble mesh. What's your offer for this mini stress ball?
I'll give you a pop tube. What's your offer for this water timer?
I'll give you these pea poppers.
Add.
This. What's your offer for these?
I'll give you all of these.
Yes! If you want part 2, comment down below.